what else do I want to mention? I am keeping an eye on dry ships, guys. Again, anyone who held dry ships from yesterday, congratulations. The stock was upgraded today. The stock is trading at 217 by 218. The 275 price target upgrade is a beautiful upgrade. And listen, I mean, I don't think we need to say it anymore. Wall Street's about as crooked as it can be. Yesterday, someone bought 7+ million shares, and then today it gets upgraded. That's a tricky one to figure out, huh? But listen, do I care that much? No, because we were in on it, we made money on it, and as long as we're making money, I'm not going to complain, right? So, I think it's important for us to know the shadiness of Wall Street, but as long as we're able to read it and make money from it, who cares? So great job on dry ships, guys. Good job there. SHLD, let's take a look. Yeah, nice gap down on SHLD. Stock for me, Nick didn't give us any levels, so therefore I'm assuming he didn't have any good levels. I have a little bit of a level here around 38, this little pivot low here, but it's a high risk level. Aside from that, you're probably looking at a level around 36.75. So 38 and 36.75 are your high risk levels there. Okay. All right, market's going to be opening in about a minute and a half, guys. Let's take a look at A&F again. A&F trading around 37, just around $10 to the downside. Their earnings were just horrendous, guys. Absolutely disgusting earnings. But hey, I mean that's giving us opportunities. So we'll see again how that plays out. Let's see what else. A&F, HPQ, obviously. HPQ 21 and change if it gets down there. Low 21s. Keep an eye on small caps today, no doubt about that. We do want to keep an eye on small caps, guys. And remember, this is the key, guys, and I can't stress this enough, too, is that, when you have a chart like this, right, all right, I every night in the videos and every day even on the chat, I've been saying this is a great level on Chevron, right? You don't want to buy it once it's already bouncing and up. If you trust the PPT, and listen, I've traded and made a crap load of money decades now on this PPT, you got to be a buyer down here. You got to be a buyer at least on the green trend line. Once it starts to bounce here, it's kind of like, well, I doubted myself and now I got to pay up for it. It's kind of like going to the supermarket and waiting around as sales end, and you had milk on sale for 99 cents a gallon, and while you're waiting there trying to think about it, now it's $1.99 or $2, So I don't mean to be rough on it, but I really want you guys you got to trust the methodology. If you like something based on this methodology behind it, then do it. Don't wait for it to bounce and then say, darn, should I buy it now when it's already up $1 off that level, So again, I don't mean to be like rough on it or anything like that, but this is a common theme in the chat, is I just want you guys to be getting the best prints. We want to be leaders. I said this, I wrote an article about this earlier this week, I think maybe Monday, but I said, I'm a leader and you guys are leaders. We're leaders in the market. We get in before everyone else because we know the level to get in, and we get out before everyone else because we know the level to get out. And that has to be our mentality. As soon as we start being followers in a market, then we start losing money. The followers are the ones that were buying this market 3 weeks ago when we were at the highs. Followers are the ones that are, buying Tesla up here. We can't be those people. Okay? No, that's fine. If you were waiting for an exact to the penny tag of the 200, Kyle, that's fine. If you happen to miss it because it just didn't hit your exact trigger, I think that's fine. But I don't want, but obviously, not to be buying it up here, Yeah, I got your best intentions at heart, guys, and I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to be making more money than you can even handle on a daily basis, so you can just relax and go sit on the beach with me and drink cocktails, at 11 o'clock in the morning when we're done trading, making a few $1,000. I mean, that's the dream for all of us, right? You guys might want to go play golf. You might want to go be with family. Whatever it is, we have to strive to be that. We have to be so disciplined because of that. We have to be like, I want my price where nothing else. I'm a leader here. I'm the first one in, first one out. Done. Let everyone else deal with all the nonsense, and be buying it up $1, $2, $5. Let them be buying Tesla while I'm shorting it here because I know it's going to $100. Let the media be upgrading Apple at 700 and me shorting it because I think it's going down. Let everyone else be scrambling to buy gold when it's $1,600 when I give you guys a target of 1,200. That's what we want to be. We want to rule this market. We want to be one step even ahead of the institutions, which we are. That's the key. And I get pumped up about it because I love the fact that it's there for the taking. And that's the beauty of what we do here. It's not like it's an unfair playing field for us. Do the institutions have advantages over the average investor? Absolutely. But we have advantages over them. We know what they don't even know. We're reading the charts using a methodology that most institutions haven't even become wise to yet. Now, eventually, do I think they will? Yeah, I think they will have a guy on staff that does PPT. But right now, it's our game. John saying patriotic music playing in the background. Annie mentioning getting out my blue and white pom-poms. Thanks, Annie. Yeah, Mike saying Flight of the Valkyries is a good trading tune. Yep. Oh, that's great to hear, Glenn. Glenn's relatively new and saying I've learned so much from you over the last few weeks. And that's great, Glenn. That's what I like to hear. I want you guys all just soaking in all the knowledge, and then we just continue to take money. Like, I honestly look at myself, and I look at you guys as we learn the PPT as Robin Hoods. Wall Street has taken money from the average investors on every crash. The Fed has created these bubbles. The little guy gets suckered in, and it's our job to start taking that money back. And my job to start teaching how to do that to anyone who wants to know. There's no discrimination here. You come to me and you say, I want to learn. You have full access to everything here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Start taking it back from the institution. Did you get hammered in the 2000 drop on the tech bubble burst? Did you get taken out in 2007 to the woodshed? It's your chance. It's your time. Take it back. I've lost money in the past too. When I was a new trader, man, I made every mistake in the book. I'd be buying stocks that were running straight up, and I'd be buying at their highs and then wonder why almost instantaneously my entry was at the high, and it reversed. And I couldn't figure it out. And I would lose money, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. Exactly, Kyle. It's a great thing for the back of the shirt. Take it back. Yep. Brian saying, me too. This service is awesome. I'm piling up consecutive winning trades now. Smaller profits, but more trades. I really like this. That's great, Brian.